Have you ever wondered why we dream? Dreams, those mysterious narratives that fill our nights, have been a source of fascination and intrigue since the dawn of civilization. From the ancient Egyptians who viewed dreams as divine messages, to the Greeks who saw them as prophetic visions, dreams have always held a special place in our collective consciousness. Fast forward to today, the era of modern science, and you'll find that dreams remain as enigmatic as ever. Despite technological advancements and comprehensive research, scientists still grapple to fully comprehend the nature and purpose of dreams. Are they simply random firings of the brain during sleep? Or do they hold deeper meanings and insights into our psyche? As we dive into this captivating topic, we'll explore various theories and perspectives that attempt to unlock the mystery of dreams. As we unravel some intriguing facts about dreams, prepare to be amazed. So, what exactly is a dream? At its core, a dream is a succession of images, ideas, emotions, and sensations that usually occur involuntarily in our minds during certain stages of sleep. It's a fascinating world where the rules of reality don't apply, and the impossible becomes possible. Now, let's delve deeper into the science behind dreaming. Dreams mainly occur during the rapid eye movement stage of sleep, or REM for short. This stage is named for the fast and random side-to-side eye movements that happen behind our closed eyelids. But what's truly fascinating about REM sleep is not just the dreams, but the brain activity that accompanies it. You see, during REM sleep, our brain activity is remarkably similar to when we're awake. Our brains are bustling with action, showing heightened activity in several areas. One such area is the limbic system, which is involved in emotions, sensations, and memories. This could potentially explain why our dreams can be so emotionally charged and often draw heavily from our personal experiences and memories. Another area of heightened activity is the visual cortex, the part of the brain responsible for processing visual information. This might be why we often see vivid images in our dreams. Interestingly, while all this is happening, the prefrontal cortex, which is associated with logical thinking and decision-making, shows reduced activity. This could explain why dreams often lack logic and can be downright bizarre. Also worth noting is that during REM sleep, our bodies become paralyzed. This phenomenon, known as rematonia, is a protective mechanism to prevent us from physically acting out our dreams, thereby preventing potential injuries. So, as we've seen, dreaming is more than just a whimsical adventure that takes place in our minds. It's a complex neurological process that involves various parts of our brain and is a crucial part of our sleep cycle. Dreams are not just figments of our imagination, but a complex process involving our brain and sleep cycle. All of us dream, but do you know there are common themes in dreams? Indeed, even though dreams are highly personal, certain motifs and scenarios tend to recur, regardless of who we are or where we're from. Let's explore some of the most common dream themes and their possible interpretations. First up, falling. It's a sensation we've all experienced in dreams. Some people find it exhilarating, while others find it terrifying. Interpreters often suggest that falling dreams reflect feelings of insecurity, lack of control, or fear of failure. If you're feeling overwhelmed in your waking life, don't be surprised if you find yourself plummeting in your dreams. Next, we have the theme of being chased. This is a classic one. In this scenario, you're often running away from an unknown threat. These dreams might symbolize avoidance or denial. Are you running away from a tough situation or a difficult conversation in real life? Your dreams might be nudging you to face your fears. Then there's the dream of appearing in public places in inappropriate attire. Maybe you're at a formal event in your pajamas or you're in school without your trousers. Embarrassing, right? These dreams often indicate feelings of vulnerability or anxiety about how others perceive us. It might be a sign that you're feeling exposed or worried about revealing too much of your true self. And let's not forget the teeth falling out dream, a universal nightmare that leaves many waking up in cold sweat. This dream is often linked to worries about appearance and anxieties about personal loss. There's also the ever-familiar dream of flying. It's one of the most reported dreams and usually leaves the dreamer feeling liberated and free. It's often associated with desire for freedom, ambition, and breaking free from the constraints of life. These themes, common across cultures, hint at a shared human experience. Dreams, it seems, are a universal language that can offer fascinating insights into our subconscious minds. They remind us of our shared fears, hopes, and insecurities. An intriguing thought, isn't it? Did you know that dreams have sparked some of the greatest creative and scientific ideas in history? That's right. dreams aren't just random sequences of images and emotions. They have often served as a wellspring of creativity and innovation. Let's start with the realm of science. Did you ever wonder how the molecular structure of benzene was discovered? Well, it was thanks to a dream. In 1865, chemist Friedrich August Kekulé dreamt of a snake biting its own tail, and upon waking, he realized that this image perfectly represented the structure of the benzene molecule as a closed ring. This groundbreaking discovery revolutionized the field of organic chemistry. And dreams don't just inspire scientific breakthroughs, they also breathe life into timeless pieces of art and literature. Take Mary Shelley, the author of the classic novel Frankenstein. She was inspired to write this iconic tale after a vivid nightmare about a young scientist who creates a monstrous creature in an unorthodox scientific experiment. And even in the sphere of music, dreams have played their part. Picture this. It's 1965, and Paul McCartney of the Beatles wakes up with a haunting melody in his head. He immediately sits at the piano and begins to play what would later become Yesterday, one of the most covered songs in the history of recorded music. This timeless melody was literally dreamt into existence. In the realm of dreams, the boundaries of reality are blurred, and the mind is free to explore and create without any inhibitions. This freedom often leads to the conception of ideas that are truly out of the ordinary and have the potential to change the world in their own unique ways. So the next time you find yourself in the midst of a particularly vivid dream, don't dismiss it as mere figment of your imagination. Who knows? It might just be the spark of an idea that could lead to the next big thing in art, science, or even music. Indeed, dreams can be the birthplace of extraordinary ideas. But what's the purpose of dreams? Why do we dream? These are questions that have puzzled humanity for centuries. And while we don't have concrete answers, various theories offer some intriguing possibilities. One such theory is the notion that dreams serve a problem-solving function. According to this view, the mind uses dream time to work through puzzles and dilemmas that we encounter in our waking lives. This could range from something as mundane as figuring out a tricky commute route to something as profound as grappling with existential questions. So, if you've ever woken up with a sudden solution to a problem that's been bothering you, you've experienced this function of dreams firsthand. Additionally, another theory proposes that dreams play a key role in emotional processing. Our dreams, often charged with intense emotions, might be a way for our brains to navigate and process complex emotional experiences. They can serve as a safe space where we can confront our fears, anxieties, and hopes, helping us to better understand our feelings and reactions. Then there's the idea that dreams contribute to memory consolidation. This theory suggests that during dreaming, our brains sift through the experiences and information we've gathered throughout the day, deciding what to store in long-term memory and what to discard. This might explain why studying before bed or sleeping on it can sometimes help you remember information better. Of course, it's important to note that these theories are not mutually exclusive. It's possible that dreams serve multiple functions at once, helping us to solve problems, process emotions, and consolidate memories all in a night's work. Moreover, the function of dreams could also vary from person to person, and even from dream to dream. The mind is a complex entity, after all, and dreams are but one facet of its intricate workings. While the exact purpose of dreams remains a mystery, these theories provide fascinating insights into the potential benefits of dreaming. As we reach the end of our exploration, let's recap the intriguing facts about dreams we've discussed. We started off by delving into the enigma of dreams, acknowledging the mystery surrounding this phenomenon. We then ventured into the science of dreaming, understanding how our brains construct these intricate narratives while we sleep. From there, we explored common dream themes, revealing how universal experiences like flying, falling, or being chased manifest in our dreams. Our journey also took us to the intersection of dreams and creativity, discussing how some of the world's greatest works of art and notable scientific breakthroughs were inspired by dreams. Finally, we examined the function of dreams, proposing theories about why we dream and the potential benefits of this nightly activity. As we wrap up, remember, dreams continue to mystify and fascinate us, offering a glimpse into the depths of the human mind. As we continue to dream, we continue to explore the enigma that is our own consciousness.